Hey everyone, today I'm asking for your help. I'm kind of brainstorming some ideas and I would really love your feedback and input. And my question for you today is, do you make art as often as you would like? When you imagine your ideal art life, let's say, how do you see it? Like, how much time would you actually want to spend painting? How much time do you have to actually paint? And would you like that to be a daily thing for you? And if you do, then what is stopping you? Where do you get stuck? You can't even start, something, keeps you from starting, or when you start, you're just not sure what to do. I would really love to know, because it would help me a lot. So please leave your comments below. If you prefer, you can email me. My email is also listed. And yeah, I would really love to know. I know that most of you, or all of you that are here, love watercolors, and I guess I'm just curious as to how much you're painting and if your kind of vision for your creative expression or process actually matches your reality. So let me know in the comments. Let's talk about this. If it's not a problem for you, also leave me a comment, because I really want to know how many people are struggling with this. We all have our struggles when it comes to our watercolor journey, and I would love to know yours. If it's something completely different, then by all means, leave it in the comments, enlighten me, and yeah, let's talk about this. So thank you. Bye.